Hey guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to install ezvid. First, I go to www.ezvid.com and then /download. This screen should appear, and you just scroll down, and then you see this free download now version 1.0.0.3, and you just click it, and it will appear, and it's downloading. It will check your folder sometime because it will be there. Yeah, so you can record stuff with it. Yeah, it's free. You can start your YouTube video with it, and I'm using ezvid to do this video. So if you do enjoy, please like and subscribe.